Aws Amplify REST API is a development platform provided by Amazon Web Services that helps developers create scalable and secure RESTful APIs. To get started, you need to understand what a REST API is. A REST API is an architectural style for designing networked applications, emphasizing stateless, cacheable, and uniform interface. Aws Amplify provides a set of tools and services that make it easy to build, deploy, and manage REST APIs. With Aws Amplify, you can define your API using a simple and intuitive API definition language, and then deploy it to a scalable and secure infrastructure. To create a REST API with Aws Amplify, you need to define your API using the Aws Amplify API definition language. This language allows you to define the endpoints, methods, and parameters of your API. Once you have defined your API, you can deploy it to AWS using the Aws Amplify CLI. The Aws Amplify CLI provides a set of commands that make it easy to create, deploy, and manage your API. You can use the CLI to create a new API, update an existing API, or delete an API. You can also use the CLI to test your API and verify that it is working as expected. One of the key benefits of using Aws Amplify to build your REST API is that it provides a scalable and secure infrastructure. Your API will be deployed to a load balancer, which will distribute incoming traffic across multiple instances of your API. This ensures that your API can handle a large volume of requests without becoming overwhelmed. Another key benefit of using Aws Amplify is that it provides a set of security features that help protect your API from unauthorized access. You can use Aws Amplify to configure authentication and authorization for your API, ensuring that only authorized users can access your API. In terms of best practices, it is recommended that you use a modular architecture when building your REST API. This means breaking down your API into smaller, independent components, each of which provides a specific functionality. This makes it easier to maintain and update your API over time. Additionally, you should use a consistent naming convention when defining your API endpoints and parameters. This makes it easier for users to understand how to use your API and reduces the risk of errors. Overall, Aws Amplify REST API is a powerful tool for building scalable and secure RESTful APIs. By following best practices and using the Aws Amplify CLI, you can create a REST API that meets the needs of your users and provides a solid foundation for your application.